Welcome to my channel, my rockstar son.
ऐसे नहीं बोला माय नेम इज दक्ष, कुछ बोला नहीं.
Hi guys, my name is Daksh. Welcome to my channel, my rockstar son.
So today, Daksh, I'll be asking you some questions, some general knowledge questions, and let's see how do you perform in this. Okay? Are you
Okay.
ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's get started. So the first question is, how many hours are there in a day? Option A, 48 hours, B, 24 hours, C, 72 hours, or is it option D, 12 hours? And you have 5 seconds to think. Your time starts now.
B, 24 hours.
अरे भैया 5 seconds to think तो है. Yes, so what is the answer?
B, 24 hours.
Yes, you are absolutely correct. Bravo, let's move on.
तुमने यूँ बोला बीच में, वो तो सब रिकॉर्ड हो गया।
तो वो हटा दूंगा ना, म्यूट कर दूंगा उस
तो
टाइम.
फिर वो लेकिन वो चक्कर
हाँ, चक्कर चलता रहेगा तो म्यूट आवाज कट जाएगी. आवाज कट जाएगी. Question number 2. How many days are there in a calendar year, excluding a leap year? So we are not talking about a leap year. It's a normal year. A, 365 days. B, 270 days. C, 400 days. Or is it D, 120 days?
A.
What is the answer, Daksh?
A, 365 days.
Yes, well done. Very good. Let's move on. Question number 3. How many days are there in the month of February in a leap year? But this time we are talking about leap year. Is it A, 30 days, B, 28 days, C, 29 days, or is it D, 31 days? Your time starts now.
Okay. Okay.
एक सेकंड वो घटर पटर बहुत ज्यादा हो रही है.
Okay.
And yes, so what is the answer?
Okay, the answer is C, 29 days.
Let's see. Yes, you're absolutely correct. Well done. Good job, Daksh. Let's move on. Question number 4. Which place in India is also known as Land of Rising Sun? A, Arunachal Pradesh. B, Gujarat. C, Kerala. D, Meghalaya. Your time starts now.
A. A.
बोलो.
A.
Arunachal.
Arunachal Pradesh.
Very good. Yes, this is the correct answer. Let's move on to question number 5. What is the sequence of colors in a rainbow? Have you seen the rainbow?
Yes.
Wow, nice. Is it A, OYRGVBI? That is orange, yellow, red, green, violet, blue, and indigo. Is it B, ROYGBIV? It means red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Is it C, OYBIGVR? Orange, yellow, blue, indigo, green, violet, and red. Or is it D, GVBYORI? Green, violet, blue, yellow, orange, red, and indigo. You have 5 seconds to answer. Your time starts now.
B. ROYGBIV. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet.
Let's see. Yes, absolutely right, Daksh. This is the correct answer. Let's move on to question number 6. How many zeros are there in a 2000 rupee note? Is it A, 4, B, 6, C, 3, D, 2? You have 5 seconds. Your time starts now.
C.
Absolutely, you're correct. How many bones are there in the human body? Is it A, 206 bones? Is it B, 410 bones? Is it C 520 bones or is it D 120 bones? Your time starts now and you have 3 more seconds. Tell me the answer.
A. 206 bones.
Absolutely right. Well done, Daksh. Next question. Which is the longest river in the world? Is it A. Ganges, which is also known as Ganga? Is it B. Amazon? Is it C. Nile, or also known as Nile? Or is it D. Danube? You have 5 seconds to answer. Your time starts now.
C. Nile.
अब मैं डाल दूंगा आवाज से काट के बाद में, कोई बात नहीं.
C. Nile.
हाँ, it's okay. Next question. Which place in India is also known as heaven on earth? Is it A. Kashmir? Is it B. Kerala? C. Tamil Nadu? Or D. Assam? You have 5 seconds. Your time starts now.
A. Kashmir.
Absolutely. Kashmir is called as heaven on earth. Let's move on to question number 10. Let's move on to question number 10. Which festival is also known as Festival of Lights? You very well must know this. Is it A. Holi? Is it B. Dashera? Is it C. Janmashtami? Or is it D. Diwali or Deepavali?
D. D. Diwali or Deepala.
Deepavali.
Diva.
Diwali or Deepavali?
Deepavali.
Absolutely right. Very good. Good job. Claps for you. Yay. Okay. Let's move on further. Which is the biggest continent in the world? Is it A. Australia? Is it B. Africa? Is it C. Asia? Or is it D. Europe? And the answer is?
C. Asia.
Yes, Asia is the biggest continent in the world. Bravo! Which planet is closest to the sun? Is it A. Earth? Is it B. Jupiter? C. Venus? Or D. Mercury? Your time starts now.
D. Mercury.
Yes, the correct answer is D. Mercury. Let's move on further. Name the largest river island in Asia. Is it A. Nong Khnum Island, Meghalaya? Is it B. Majuli Island, Assam? Is it C. Bhavani Island, Andhra Pradesh? Or is it D. Monroe Island, Kerala? Your time starts now.
B. Majul Island, Assam.
Majuli Island, Assam.
Huh?
Majuli
Majuli
Island,
Island,
Assam.
Assam.
Okay, अब बोलना दोबारा से.
B. Majuli Island, Assam.
Very good. Let's move further. What do you call a shape which has 3 sides? I wonder whether you know it. Is it A. Square? Is it B. Rectangle? Is it C. Triangle? Or D. Pentagon?
C. Triangle.
Absolutely right. Bravo, Daksh. You have so far scored 14 out of 14 questions. That's a nice job done. Let's move further.
तुमसे वेट क्यों करवाते हो 5 सेकेंड?
5 सेकंड इसी के लिए थे.
5 सेकेंड में तो जवाब देना है ना.
नहीं 5 सेकंड पूरा सोच करके 5 सेकंड के बाद आंसर देना. How many fingers are there in a human body's single hand? I think you can cheat on this. Is it A 10, B 5, C 15 or D 12?
B. 5.
Yes, B5. Look at your hand. Everybody, look at your single hand. Okay, next question. How many cards are there in a pack of cards? Have you played cards, Daksh?
Yes.
You like playing cards?
Yes.
Nice. Is it A, 24 cards, B, 56 cards, C, 52 cards, or is it D, 30 cards?
C. 52 cards.
That is correct. 52 cards. Which is the fastest land animal on earth? A, cheetah, B, deer, C, lion, or D, giraffe? Who do you think runs fastest, Daksh?
A. Cheetah.
Yes, cheetah. There is a saying in Hindi language, cheete ki chaal. How many weeks are there in a calendar year? A, 36 weeks, B, 52 weeks, C, 60 weeks, D, 24 weeks. Think and answer.
B. 52 weeks.
Yes, 52 weeks. B is the correct answer. This one should be fairly easy for you. How many letters are there in the English alphabet? A, 30 letters, B, 18 letters, C, 26 letters, or is it D, 10 letters?
C. 26 letters.
Yes, correct. Let's talk about this. This is the last question. Name the highest mountain in the world. I bet whether you want to go there. Do you want to go there?
Yes.
Oh, nice. It's A, Mount K2, B, Mount Kanchenjunga, C, Mount Manaslu, or is it D, Mount Everest?
D. Mount Everest.
Yes, D, Mount Everest. That's all, Daksh. Bravo. Congratulations. You scored 20 out of 20. Good job, man. That's all for today. Ab boliye.
Now, thank you guys. If you like this video, subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.
Yes, hit that bell icon. Okay, see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.